Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. We're going to be making some delicious, tasty, and healthy smacked cucumbers today. Now the reason we smack the cucumbers is so that the flavor can soak into those cucumbers. Wash and drain 6 mini cucumbers. Cut off both ends of the mini cucumbers, then smack each cucumber and cut diagonally. Add 2/3 of a teaspoon salt to the cucumbers. This will help remove the excess water from the cucumbers. Mix it and set it aside for 10 minutes. Remove the peel on 2 large cloves of garlic and then cut the garlic into little pieces and add it to the mortar. Use the pestle and smash the garlic into paste. This is how smooth the garlic paste will look like. In Chinese cooking, we do use the mortar and pestle a lot. If you're interested in purchasing a similar set, click on the link in the description below. Remove the excess water from the cucumbers. Now let's season the cucumbers. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of chili oil. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Add half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add the garlic paste and mix all the seasoning together well. Remember, in Chinese cooking, it's all about personal preference. So if you would like to add a little bit more of this and that, please do so. However, I find that this recipe is nice and light and tasty. Plate the cucumbers and drizzle the sauce on top. This is a healthy, delicious, and tasty dish to serve as an appetizer or as a side dish. I hope you get a chance to try this quick and simple recipe. Do look at my playlist if you're interested in learning more about Chinese cooking. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching!